Hi, I'm Jendon. I'm Mr. Scout, and I'm gonna show you how to do some store tricks with them because fuzzy friends want more phones at Metro PCS or the Cricket store. We also brought the LG Optimus F60, the LG Leon, the Samsung Galaxy Lite, the Samsung Galaxy On 5, the Samsung Galaxy S3, and the Samsung Galaxy Mega we brought, and the Alcatel One Touch 2, and the Alcatel One Touch 5 XL we brought. So, okay, monkey. Yep, I have fastened products. So, see you later, guys. Bye.